Hey guys, so today I saw this tune called Vaporwave by Ace Hashimoto and Thundercat plays these chords on the bass in that song, so I figured I'd make a quick video and show you what these chords are and how you can play them. So the song is in F minor key, and we start off on B flat minor 7, and you play 1, 5, minor 7, minor 3rd, and you have to bury the chords here. So that's our first chord. The next chord is C minor 7, and it's exactly the same. You just play it 2 frets higher, right? And then it repeats. Okay? Then our next chord is a D flat major 7. And I play the 1, the 5, the major 3rd, and major 7th. I skip the A string here. Okay, so till now. Okay, and then we go to this chord, which is basically an E flat triad with an added 2 or 9 with a G in the bass, with the 3rd in the bass. You could also call it C minor 11 with G in the bass, doesn't really matter, right? And then after that we have G flat 6, 9, a chord that Thundercat really likes to play. So I played the 1, the 5, the 6, and the 9. And our final chord, F minor 11. So 1, 5, minor 7, 11. Right, so all together. B flat minor, C minor, D flat major 7, G flat, right? Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.